Wena wathi
Hey baba
uyayiqela ijaha. Isimoya nawe. Ha nithi ngigqibe man. Njani? Sure mfethu. Mina ngujinja uthama ngathuki mfethu. Ngihamba nomngani wami la uwakhe and then uMusa so sambe sibuza abantu lana ukuthi are people dating because we are doing ilokhu uzabona izinto zo TikTok.
Sure.
Yeah, ukhamba ubuza ukuthi are you dating? Yes. Are you how long?
This looks like a very nice couple.
Awunenkinga mhlawumbe ngicela unibuza nje imibuzo ewu2. Niyathandana nina mfethu?
Yeah.
Uba igama ugazi lami?
Mna usangu.
Zoqeda umshado.
Sangweni.
Zoqeda umshado. So we here
Where's
for
home my brother Jayam?
Phela umshado.
Which side of Swaziland?
I've never really been there, but
Yes.
then I go every now and then go visit, so I'm not familiar
So
with
when you visit, which side do you visit in?
I'm not familiar with the place, so I wouldn't know.
But let me say big up to Swaziland and thank you so much guys. I have my brother Lana Usangweni Bafethu is saying to me he's all the way from Swaziland. As you all know Bafethu mina when I'm in Swaziland and represent Zuluini, as you all know I got my brother Tibos Flak in Swaziland. I love you brother. So njayami when mama zubani kam
Khothatso.
Oh wabua
Yeah.
batho
Abuwa, I don't know.
Okay, sorry.
Go Freiburg.
Freiburg
Yeah.
bathong Freiburg ke itsiba nna kodladle ngakili Northwest ke tswa mo Klerksdorp wa itsiba Klerksdorp
Oh yeah.
Komaglera.
Yeah, I know it.
ya ke tswa Jobetina da so ke ntwana ya Jobetina ko Sun City da
Okay.
so wena ko Freiburg ke site efeng o batla go represent mo
Good Texas. Hudi, shout out.
Shout out. I love that in Texas. Khurudi, shout out the feds. It's your boy King Ginger Cream Dal Cream. Freiburg. Stand up, my brother. I'm happy for you, mfethu.
You know South Africa is so big.
Senisikhathi ngana nitsanana.
I'm not 2 years nyana.
2 years nyana.
Dala siyipusha no.
So when you came here in Joburg, you got this beautiful flower.
Yeah.
So what is it that you love about
Look at her blushing. She got called a flower. You put your blush on her.
umuntu wakho?
I love everything about her enthusiastic personality, the way her physique, the way she treats me. Awuyakwazi ukuphatha indoda lo muntu lo. Awuyakwazi.
Boys and bucks, ride the charges. Uyakwazi ukuphatha indoda. Ingane kwazi ukuphatha indoda deserve ama flowers. It deserve lama roses anama 200s, right?
Awuyazi. Every breath she takes would deserve a rose. Yeah.
My brother. But okay, fine. Okay.
Njaya.
I doubt he even gives her like a bunch of roses.
Awuyasiphi style. You're looking good, my brother. Can you come this side so that my camera guy can see you guys there? You're looking fresh, man. Mamas, kauni unibahle. That's me nama celebrities. Mamas, I want to know from you, what is it that you love about umchita wakho uSangweni?
What I love about him is his personality.
Okay.
And the way how she treats me and it's just everything about him. About him.
I love the fact that uthanda the way akutreat ngakhona. So sister,
I also love the fact that Bakul Miss Gisu. This is an English relationship.
uthanda the way akutreat ngakhona shothi ukutreat kahle noma ekhuluma, akutreat kahle noma ekubamba, akutreat kahle noma ekubhabaza.
I just said everything, man, everything.
Okay.
Everything. Hey, awunjaya mudlama everything.
Oh yeah.
So mfethu ngifisa ukwazi wena mfethu ukuthi do you trust umuntu wakho njengoba emuhle kanje?
Avele ngiyamthemba yena angeke ngenze njalo.
In a scale of 100 mhlawumbe umthemba kanani?
I like a 70%, you can never go fully.
What happens with the 30?
The 30 is
that is quite big.
Doubts and all,
Yeah.
That is quite big though.
Exe, Swaziland. Tricky. Love you guys. Mamas. Yamthemba?
Yeah.
In a scale of how?
90.
What happens with the 10? A room for disappointment?
Yeah, I don't know, maybe you can never trust the person fully, so you don't know maybe when he wakes up tomorrow in the morning what will happen and all that. Yeah.
Maria Mtanda.
Yeah, I do love him a lot.
I'll tell him now Mtanda umuntu wakho.
Akabi braya.
Nkayakhe.
Okay.
You will never know. Maybe it's at the last act, bruh. Take me back to the couples.
Yeah, like we're going
You're
somewhere,
rushing.
so yeah.
Oh, okay. No, my brother, it's ngizontetela manje nami, but I want to ask something one last time and then bese hamba ne. Njengoba ushilo uthi umthemba 70 naye uthi ukuthemba awusole mhlawumbe ukuthi khona umunye umuntu athana naye akaza kubonisa lokho ne.
Angeke.
Wena my sister nawe awusole next.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Kunento esenzayo la kuthiwa loyalty test.
Hey,
Loyalty
hey.
test is whereby we're switching phones for 60 seconds. Wena siswami unike out yakho ifone yakho for 60 seconds.
Ayeye bro.
Same applies to you, my brother. Now if it's ifone yakho ikhaya mamazi and then we check ukuthi wena who you flirting with. Angithi wena uthawujoli nami. Aw mam, let's.
No, it's
Kuvela
not.
wayikhipha.
Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, angisale sihlala kumina ke iphe yakho.
Senba nje. Phelile senba
Nami
nje.
ngicheke yami. Aw mam, mazi. Danko. Siphethe 2 Musa. All right, guys, it's about that time. Couple switching phones mntanami. My brother, say
Guys,
this one with me.
I'm
It is time
yazi
for this.
ngithukele
It
le
is time for-
couple. They look too good to be separated. Ngithukele bro. They look too good to be
Say this one with me. It is time for this. It is time for the famous question. Time for what?
the
Time
famous
for the
question.
famous question.
It is time for what?
The famous
famous
question.
Mamas, can I come inside?
Yeah.
Ha! Imagine the passion as well. Ha!
No.
Uthi yeah.
Uthi ya
Come
buti wami.
inside what? My phone.
Nah, my sister yashitha guys ngicabangani. She must be cheating.
Come inside here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
She must be cheating. Umqondo wakhe definitely went to the dirty one. She must be cheating. No way.
Nothing. It's fine.
No way.
Kwenzeka ndo ngafo ne.
No, it's nothing. Yeah, it's fine.
Kayiteni sibonele ihanga.
My brother.
Hayi ngiyamdlalisa. Wena.
Hi. You guys have dirty mind. Unomqondo obhudileyo, but it's fine. It's okay. It's about that time. Couple switching phones mntanami. Ngizoqala ifoni yakho. Yeah, ngiqala ifoni yakho.
Wow, ungaqala ngeyakhe kahle.
Uyasheka my brother.
Amasiqonde ngeyakhe.
Siqale ngeyakho.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Uyasheka my brother.
Sister, why we boy cool le phone? Haw, bamba mzala.
Ufihla something.
What's up lapha? All right, Sangit?
Yeah, I'm right.
All right. Okay, now. All right. Yeah. Go searching type and I love you. All right. All right, guys. It's about that time. We're on WhatsApp right now and we are about to type the Chandis. Type and I put I love you. What's up, boss? Type.
Okay. Moment of truth.
Hey, my I'll tell him.
Zilone ndizibona apha.
Ubonani Jo?
Funda le gama. Sister. Funda le gama leli. Lathi I love you khona. Ubande outing.
Ubani usibu?
Woo!
No, it's just a friend.
Just a friend that you
Ama-friend,
Nama friend that I love you.
ama-friend.
Ngicela singene la. Asinyuke kule conversation my brother. Cause
Uyaninyela lo mnana lo.
Yebani.
Yini ngathi uyaninyela.
awuthami. Ungala ucabanga
Wenzani?
ubani usibusi sami. Kwenzala nosibu.
No, I told him last week, Uguti, I'm gonna have a photo shoot. So
No, Sbu.
he's just a my photo.
But why would I love you?
I love you.
We photo shoot. Nama photo.
Ufuna umshaya, watch out.
Nenzani?
Watch out.
Sister kanti wena lo mfana ukushuthayo uphinda kushutheke imfuthi.
But
Awuthembe umusukulwa.
is there a problem with I love you?
There is a huge problem with I love you.
Niyathandana wena nosibu. No.
Yes, I love you means
Okay,
people
Iman, wait, my brother. Ngizosondela ngala. It's improvele ke sisoma
Yo,
ukuthi
yo.
niyathandana nosibu. Ngizobhala ukuthi I miss you la. Ngufaka iheart.
Khawuze sithethe Jo.
Abezukuthetha Jo. Abezukuthetha mo.
Kunjula.
Pinwe nopinwa lo sibulo.
Uphiniwe.
Wena uphiniwe yini yo?
Uyenzelani lento yenza siswami? Why
But I'm not cheating.
wetsa ing? Ke yo motho a kere mo.
I get the silo.
Okay, mara lela.
Guys, keep it jacket.
But you
Keep
feel
it jacket bro.
you want to kabe wa bua sister go rukupa maitshwarelo because o dirile phoso and the demand wa go rata.
As I've just said, I went to the photo shoot.
Photographer.
Who is just my photographer, guys? I'm not cheating.
Ufuna umshaya hayibo.
Sister, ngabe yaxolisa futhi le out yakuthanda mfethu. Yakuthanda mfethu.
Njengamanje looks like uyamzonda kodwa.
My brother, ehlisi.
Hey, khawume.
Nawe musukulwa. Sister khuluma naye.
No, it's fine. Ask his baby.
Asikisindoni imnqondo esikoro uyanchitela kaka.
Awuthame
uyayiqhela
ehlisi umoya nawe.
Uyayiqhela indoda mnqondo, uyayiqhela kodwa manje.
Uthi uyaxolisa.
Uqhela ijanga ngaka mnqondo wakho nakubetha unyeva.
Ha,
My brother, please, ngiyacela mfethu, ngiyacela ngicela wehlise umoya.
ningamyeki.
namnqondo uyafuna
Ngiyacela ngiyacela mfethu, yehlisa umoya. Sister, so wena awuthemba uzoqhubeka ujolena njengomuntu.
aya jola nesikorob lapha esisula ndawo yonke
Awuthemba, yehlisa umoya.
Eyigiyana dlala.
Okay mfethu,
Adlali
check
kuyani,
ifoni yakho.
guys.
Angithi wena usuthathile decision ukuthi awusaqhubeki nayo ngoba uyabona ukuthi ukwenzakalani. Ngiyacela awuthemba ehlisa umoya. Baningi
Isazama ukuncenga, pick up the jacket. Uyifolde kamnandi. Isazama ukuncenga, do something, bro.
mfethu still
yesu ngixelela ngamantombazana amaningi
but awuthemba uyabona nje.
ninze kabi niweni investileko sisifebe siyanifebela
Yehlisa umoya. Okay. Sister, woza ngapha.
Abanga sokujinja pick up the jacket.
My brother, isiqede lento khona ngizonidedela nami because ngiyakubona umoya wakho usuhlubukile. Yeah.
uyayiqhela ijani
Ihlisa umoya.
awuyayiqhela indoda wena mnqondo
Okay.
utheni uqela ihotman ujolela abani wena
Rukman elokhayo. I'm just saying the way ngiyasho nje.
ingaphi nenikwenzela zona sa
Awuthemba. It's fine.
khawume Brian
Ngizama ukukhuza njalo.
Brian ndidila necherry yami
Sebazolwa ke nabo.
Cha, sizwe mina njalo
Senior.
ukuthi utshela kwayo.
benza ufind out noba ndifind out enini
Ufindathelwe yimina njalo.
oku unqandela nto xa ndifuna udiscipline
Awudiscipline on this show. Into kumele uyenze wena fanele wehlisa umoya. Ngiyacela.
Goduka masami
Asikayicheck ifoni yakho. Asikayicheck ifoni yakho.
check ifoni yami
Yeah.
ayisachekiwe yami ifoni
Asayifuna.
akusacheckiwa
Siyayifuna.
uzalibona
Ngeke ukubona.
asawubamba nescreen Brian
Asibambane.
Hayi akiwe baba. Siyayichecka le. Yeah. And uzoyivula le.
jonga wena sipatana nini awusuka endleleni
Yehlisa umoya.
usuka endleleni
Umphakamise phela sipatana umuthi
Vula
kancane.
ifoni.
nakuhlafuna ndikuyeke
Vula.
wena
Awuthemba ngicela uvule ifoni bese siyaqeda mfethu khona uzohamba ngiyacela awuthemba please. Asilwi lana mfethu nginawe mina. Uyabona ukuthi ngisizile ngikudiscoverele ukuthi umama azodlala ngawe.
Awumsizanga boy. Yabo lapha umphule nje inhliziyo. Irweni.
ngaya ngale phone wena
Awuthemba
somnani
yehlisa umoya bra wami. Cela mfethu.
Uyayivula na. Okay, ivule but amsibone yona.
bra
Ivule but.
Wenza mistake. Uqhele
vula
ijali.
amathanga so yi mistake
Awuthemba uyaxolisa must check.
uviwa i mistake
Okay.
oh I love you ngama mistake nakufaka ibhande wena
Ah.
Uyabona ke mfethu nebhande. Ish. Okay, type la. All right guys, we are on WhatsApp right now and we're about to type I love you. I love you.
Guys ngiyasheka nje manje yo.
Sister uwelo.
yes sesiwamba sijola
Uyakuthanda la mfana man. Uwelo. Buka na shame. Okay. Phuma la. Thani I miss you fake heart.
ihle kwena nguwela uzochitha
Yewena.
unganikhombi
Nawe ungangikhombi phela kanje.
wenzani
Hayi awuthamba
Fumshaya.
ngilinde ngicede.
Sondela.
Ithi ngigqibe.
izayima
Sani ithi ngigqibe man.
sondela
Musa ngicela umyeko kwamanje Musa.
Uzokushaya nje. You hold on.
Ngitrapha kahle mangiqeda la. Trapha wena.
oh sizotrapa njengamanje
Uvela wena futhi yabo. Okay, cela ungidilithele lapho type uthi sex.
abezulu lezi
Awuthemba ukupayizela uzulu baba.
sondela
Ukungqubuza uzulu.
iza ukubonisa ngalokuzulu
Ima. Shit. Yabona ukuthi
Izulu versus Giyani.
Veli zone.
Yeah.
Uyabona ukuthi uyakuthanda lo mjede.
Yeah.
Okay, delete lapha.
unesikoro
Ngicela ungithaphela uthi ungithaphela uthi uthi can you come outside? Come outside, yeah. Ehlisa umoya uthamba. Ish.
There's tension high. It's tension high. You can feel it.
Ngena ku
Uyamyeka.
ngena ku kulokhuzana. Ngena ku woza ngapha.
Ha! Ngivele ngabona ukuthi kuse uyamyeka umusa mfethu phambi kwethu.
Ngena
Umyeka umusa.
Facebook inbox. Yeah. Uthi I love you. Awuthemba awume.
Uzogcina amtholile yazi.
Una Instagram la? Brandteta now una Instagram up. Asibuyele ku WhatsApp. Ngimthembi lo mfana.
Babazane, here you have to find something.
Ufaka ibrinjolo lapho. Ufaka
You have to find something.
Le emoji le peaches. Peaches. Faka.
Uyahleka.
Let's. So manje wena sister uzoxolisa kuwe usazozama ukuthi ucele linye ithuba lokuthi niqhubeke nisandane.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. Awuthami, uma isister uthi ucela ucela uxolo, Mimus. Uthi ucela uxolo.
Umuntu kaxolo bra.
Ijacket yakhe.
Cabanga igama lakho uxola. Uxola.
Imoto ngalapha.
Saxolisa xolo ububukele. Sixolisa. Xolani siyaxolisa.
Sister. Uhlala ngakuphi? Khuluma. Ngakini ngala noma ubenia ngala nendlini yakhe noma usazohamba naye?
Oh no, this guy wabona yo he will beat
So
me.
Uzokushaya vele. Hayiwa.
ya wena indaba wena. Wena ngathi
Hayiwa uyazi Musa is not doing the show. Musa has to grab him. Bamba lo mfana lo. Bamba lo mfana.
indaba wena ngathi ufuna mina. Angifuni
Mbambe.
nawe wena. Yazi ngifuna.
Wenza nekijim.
What's la wena?
Wenzeni ngathi ugijimile lapha for a second.
Angifuni ukulwa nawe wena. Yazi ngifuni ukulwa nawe.
Nesikuta sisaba ukudlula manje.
What's la wena? What's la wena?
Sungizibaleke manje.
Hayibo.
Angifuni ukulwa nawe yazi.
Jinja ilona yilokhu lusa ufuna ukulona ilona yeke phela.
Uzokushaya.
Uzoshaya.
Emusa umlethe ngapha.
Akaye.
What's naye Musa?
Akaye ngale.
Wena ngiyokugibeza. What's la wena? Hamba. Ngizokushaya wena.
Uzoshaya.
Ngoba yazi ngizokushayelani? Ngizokushayela ukuthi awufuni ukwehlisa umoya.
Uzoshaya. Iza siqede ngoku.
Awuthanga. Yazi ukuthi ugqoke kahle kanjani and mina ngizokuhambisa emoyeni mina.
Famba moyeni.
Thwala mina.
Famba moyeni.
Uzokuthwala mina ntwana yami yezwa. Uzohamba emoyeni nyawo.
Asike ukubambe kayone bra.
Hayi musu akaye emoyeni. Hayi.
Famba moyeni.
Yeke achuzi. Yayiqhela ikhotman.
Awuthanga.
Awe mnqundo mntana yayiqhela.
Akafambe moyeni.
Wena
Yayiqhela ikhotman.
why wena uqhela igyani? Why uqhela legyani? Igyani nami.
Ngobujani
Angi-
nasun. Wasintoni ngobujani?
Ha.
Aw. Why kanti mina mfethu?
Wasintoni ngobujani?
Hayi akaye moyeni.
Kodwa why
Lapha ihlathi kwedini.
Akaye moyeni.
Lapha ihlathi.
angiyaxolisa ke?
Hey.
Awume ungalwi nami. Okay, angilona ke ijani. I'm sorry ukuthi ngithi ngijani. Kodwa ngiyindoda nami. Ngiswaka Zulu ungangijwayeli kabona. Enguzulu. Umuntu wakho na.
Ngiqheme ezulu. Ngiqheme. Ngiqheme
Yabazi
ezulu.
umsulu wena. Yabazi umsulu wena. Wena mfana wena awazi ngiphuma phi.
Sondela Jinja.
Awazi ngiphuma.
Sondela Jinja.
Yakwazi eginga indlovu wena.
Sondela.
Emusa pressa lo muntu phansi mfethu. Pressele phansi ukuthi ukujwayela kabi iginga indlovu. Indaba ujwayele kabi.
Mana wena Musa ngiyakwazi la ngizakwazi endle.
Lalela nathi sokufumana la uhlala khona wena.
Ngihlala yini? Wozani man?
Ungimtshelelani uhlala phi?
Ngihlala nedi.
And
Why yazi abantu abacabanga mabalo umtshelelani uhlala phi? Why? Awucabangi ndoda. Giyana cabanga.
and le kasi lakho lisoliphendula thina.
Wozani ukuhlafuna ukuyeke ngoku.
Awuthami mfethu fanele
Wozani ukuhlafuna ukuyeke kodini man.
but my brother mina ngizama ukusiza wena.
Ngekeza le nwana.
Ha up.
Ya ngitshele ngathi uzondiza wena. Tshelile ngathi uzondiza wena. Hawu. Phela kakuba umZulu wena.
I believe I can fly.
Asambe sithi nokugibeza.
I believe I can touch the sky. Thank you guys for tuning in. Iphele kabuhlungu ngendoda endizayo. I'm see you guys in the next episode. I think my sister could have done better in the sense of xolisa. Akaxolisa lapha ngathi bekayitshela ukuthi ayisuka ngizomthola eminye. So it's fine. Sebahlukene and bekazomshaya ukuba umtholile ngampela. So thank you all for tuning in. I'm going to see you on the next episode. Peace out mnganami.